Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? What's going on, guys? Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thank you for coming back for yet another video. Alright guys, so today it rained literally all morning. As you can see, the ground is quite wet. So anyway guys, I'm going to take this break in the weather here and we are going to not do some mowing, that's for sure. It is literally soaking wet, but we are going to, as you can see, full load, ready for the dump. So we are going to be taking that to the dump momentarily, and then we are going to cut down a small dead bush here. I'll show you guys in the back here real quick, and then we're going to be going. So alright, why don't you guys join me. Some of you guys might remember that tree. We trimmed that up real good a while back. Nice in-ground pool here. And here it is right here. Yep. It's dead, but I thought I might be able to dig it out, but nope, that's a definite no. So, alright. Set you guys right here. Boy, that was pretty rotten in the center. Wow, look at that. Guys, don't bust my chops, yo. I know I forgot my earplugs, but I knew I was just going to be doing it for a very short amount of time, so. Let's head to the dump. Truck done. Dumped it off. Boy, look at this mess. Woo! Wow. Loading her up. Here comes truck number two. Number two. Coming right up. It's a little bit after 7 o'clock now. This afternoon was quite different from this morning. Guys, the sky was basically like this all afternoon. Even some sun. So really, really weird. I went to the dump, as you saw. Got both loads dumped out. And then I ended up swinging by a larger landscaping job that we started. Actually, the whole family helped me out with this one that we started on Saturday. And some of you guys know I got stung by bees. I will show you the exact location, I promise, when we go back to hopefully wrap it up. Planning on hopefully this weekend coming up, we should be able to finish that up. But So I did a little bit more today, and then I just got tons of mowing now, probably the rest of this week. And maybe an odd job here or there, we'll see. I got a dentist appointment tomorrow morning, so that's gonna mess things up. And then I have an eye doctor appointment on Thursday afternoon, so it's gonna be a crazy week. I can already see it. And it's only gonna be Tuesday. So, alright guys, I'm not gonna end the video here. Stay tuned. I have a great surprise for you guys. We're gonna end it actually inside. And so I'm gonna get cleaned up and just sit tight and you'll see. Alright guys. Are you sure you're ready? Let me hear it. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Yes, I got a new camera. It's a Canon. Hopefully you can see. It's a Canon EOS Rebel T5i with just this basic standard lens and a little Gorilla Pod type thing. So excited. Also got the Rode Video Mic Pro on it. Guys, the sound is going to be so much better with me talking. I'm still going to use this. Yes, GoPro Hero 5. I'm still going to be using that for like when I'm showing you guys my mowing footage and just working in general. But for the dialogue part, I'm going to be using the Canon with the microphone. It's going to be so nice, guys. I cannot wait. Alright guys, I will see you in the next episode of Caleb's Property Maintenance, and I'll be using the new camera. I am so excited. I know it's not that great of a camera at all. Nothing compared to like an 80D or anything like that. But coming from a GoPro, that's the only camera I've ever owned. It's a major upgrade. So my sister has a Sony that's just like this, except for the screen doesn't fold out. On this one, the screen folds out, which I knew was a must. That was for sure the selling point on this one. So, alright guys, overall super excited. I cannot wait. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And there's a pretty good chance you'll see me in the next episode. Alright, have a good rest of your day.